हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू।
Start. From time to time, the world has been tormented with newly emerging pandemics throughout the history. It was believed earlier that the intensity of destruction caused by such pandemics was largely on account of lack of better health facilities, but this current COVID-19 outbreak has proved that humans are still not completely able to fight pandemics caused by the deadly viruses. Pandemics have occurred even after high technological advancements in the healthcare infrastructure. The COVID 19 outbreak was first reported towards the end of 2019 in Wuhan, in Hubei province of China. Subsequently, it spread to other parts of the world. It was declared as a pandemic by the WHO on 11th March 2020. Coronaviruses are large family of viruses that are common throughout the world and can cause respiratory illnesses in people and animals. There are several known coronaviruses that infect humans and animals. Human coronaviruses were first discovered in 1960. The coronaviruses that can infect humans are the new coronavirus, also known as novel coronavirus or SARS-CoV-2, is a newly emerged coronavirus that has never been identified before. It is responsible for the outbreak of the COVID-19 disease that causes respiratory illnesses in humans. The new coronavirus is zoonotic in nature, which means that it can spread easily from animals to humans. The people infected with COVID 19 disease due to the new coronavirus experience mild to moderate respiratory illnesses and recover without any special treatment. But the COVID 19 disease affects the older, vulnerable people badly and those having other medical problems. People those having cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, chronic respiratory diseases, cancer, etc., are more likely to develop serious illness. The COVID 19 disease spreads primarily through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes. The virus can also spread through the aerosol particles discharged from the mouth while speaking in closed spaces. The people who are infected with the COVID 19 disease can get either very low infection or very high infection. Those who have been infected with lower infection load may develop very mild symptoms or develop no symptoms at all. Those infected with higher infection load develops severe symptoms which can also be life-threatening. The virus seems to be easily spreading in the community and sustaining for longer periods in the community because of asymptomatic infections that are not easy to detect. In COVID 19 disease, the common symptoms include runny nose, fever, headache, cough, sore throats, red marks on the skin, loss of taste and smell, rashes, tiredness, diarrhea, etc. People having serious illness due to COVID 19 disease are not able to breathe easily, may feel chest pain and pressure, and may also have loss of speech or movement. There are no special cures for the COVID 19 disease. People who get infected by the disease are provided with symptomatic treatment that includes reducing fever and treating the respiratory system with common interventions. To prevent infection and slow down its transmission, the most effective techniques are: maintain cleanliness around the houses and communities, maintain personal hygiene such as washing hands regularly, not touching contaminated and dirtier surfaces and objects, and washing or sanitizing hands as soon as possible after touching any surface. Maintaining safe distance of more than 2 meters from other people who are coughing or sneezing. Avoid touching face, eyes, ears, nose, etc. frequently. Covering mouth fully when coughing or sneezing. Not indulging in intoxicating activities such as smoking, drinking, and other harmful things such as drugs, as these things weakens the nervous system as well as the respiratory system. Practi- prac- Practice physical distancing, avoiding unnecessary traveling, staying away from large number of people or crowd, cleaning and disinfecting surfaces and frequently touched objects, practicing physical activities and exercise daily inside the house or personal spaces so that immunity can be boosted, maintaining a healthy diet to provide strong immunity to the body, staying home and contacting a doctor if feeling unwell. The novel coronavirus is likely to have emerged from the bats. The intermediate host might be a pangolin. The possible host of the new virus is still being researched upon, but it is certain that this virus has emerged due to mutations and adaptations. The virus has a unique ability to mutate rapidly and adapt a new host. World Health Organization (WHO), the global health organization, has played a significant role in dealing with the pandemic. It has emerged as a leading organization involved in the global coordination for mitigating the COVID-19 pandemic. It declared the outbreak a public health emergency of international concern and warned all countries to prepare. After the emergence of the COVID-19, WHO has been at the heart of the fight against the disease. It is intended to be an international leader in public health by alerting the world to the threats of diseases, developing policies to coordinate response to COVID, and providing safety equipments to various countries. The WHO has spearheaded several initiatives like the COVID-19 Solidarity Response Fund to raise money for the pandemic response, the UN COVID-19 Supply Chain Task Force, and the Solidarity Trial for investigating potential treatment options for the disease. WHO agreed to an independent investigation into its handling of the pandemic. It announced the setting up of an independent expert review committee to examine aspects of the international treaty that governs preparedness and response to health emergencies. WHO has shipped more than 2 million items of personal protective equipments (PPEs) and 1 million diagnostic test kits to over 120 countries. WHO has launched multilingual e-learning courses about various aspects of COVID-19, including for preparedness and response. WHO has been criticized also by the former US President Donald Trump, terming it as China-centric. It is alleged that WHO was slow to publicly recognize the threat posed by the COVID disease. Questions were raised on its contradictory statements regarding COVID, but it is also true that world will need the WHO, as only an international organization like the WHO can coordinate efforts to tackle COVID on a global scale. Full stop. Over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये था डिक्टेशन आपका 100 प्लस की स्पीड में, 100 प्लस की स्पीड में था ये RMSSB के लिए, ठीक है। और ये था लगभग 110 तक हमने इसको ले जाने की कोशिश की है। ये पहला डिक्टेशन है क्योंकि 11 तारीख से शायद शुरू है, 11 से 13 तारीख तक RMSSB का जो रिवाइज रिज़ल्ट आया हुआ है बाकी दूसरे और लोगों के लिए जिनका एग्ज़ाम राजस्थान में होगा, ठीक है। तो बताइएगा इसको कि कैसा लगा ये डिक्टेशन। तो स्पीड इसकी बढ़ाएंगे क्योंकि पिछली बार जो RMSSB का अभी जो हो चुका है एग्ज़ाम उसमें ऐसे टाइप मैटर आया हुआ था, ठीक है। तो हमने एक नई सीरीज़ ये ऐसे की शुरू कर दी है, 10-11 दिन जो भी बचे हैं, 12 एक दिन 15 दिन, वो ताकि लोगों को जो पिछली बार शायद नहीं दिए होंगे या जिनको जानकारी नहीं होगी उनको हम बता दें इस डिक्टेशन के मतलब बाय मीन्स ऑफ दिस डिक्टेशन कि ऐसे वाला मैटर पिछली बार आया हुआ था। किसी भी टॉपिक पर उन्होंने ऐसे लिखवा दिया था, शायद क्रिकेट का टॉपिक आया था या कोई टॉपिक आया हुआ था। तो वही हमने इसमें ऐसे एक नया शुरू किया है। आप लोग डिक्टेशन लीजिएगा और प्रैक्टिस करिए। जिनका कि एग्ज़ाम शायद 18-19 हज़ार बच्चों का एग्ज़ाम होना है दूसरी लिस्ट में, ठीक है। तो इसका कमेंट दीजिएगा, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करिएगा ताकि हमें पता चले कि हाँ आपको ये डिक्टेशन पसंद आ रही है, ये सीरीज़, ठीक है। तो ये उसके एग्ज़ाम तक चलेगी। RMSSB के 11, 12, 13 को एग्ज़ाम है, ठीक है। तब तक ये सीरीज़ चलेगी। तो अपना रिव्यू देते रहिएगा, कमेंट देते रहिएगा, जो भी दिक्कत होगी हम उसको दूर करने की पूरी कोशिश करेंगे जो हमारे बस में है, ठीक है। बाकी इसको आप लीजिए क्योंकि 115 की स्पीड तक गया था पिछली बार डिक्टेशन जो आया था RMSSB में, ठीक है। तो ये हमने 110 या 109 की स्पीड रही होगी, फिर धीरे धीरे उसको हम 115 तक लेके जाएंगे। तो इसको लीजिए और बताइए क्या कमेंट्स आपके आते हैं, हम देखते हैं। और इसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फैलाइएगा, सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, बेल आइकन दबा दीजिएगा ताकि इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियोस आपको मिलती रहें टाइम पे, ठीक है। तो मिलेंगे अगले डिक्टेशन में। थैंक यू सो मच।